Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Viewers, neuroscientists from 22 labs joined forces in an unprecedented international partnership in produced a landmark achievement. Yeah, a neural map that shows activity across the entire brain during decision making. The data gathered from 139 mice encompass activity from more than 6 lakhs neurons in 279 areas of the brain, about 95% of the brain in a mouse. This map is the first to provide a complete picture of what happens across the brain as a decision is made. They have created the largest dataset anyone has ever imagined at this scale, said Dr. Paul W. Glimcher, chair of the Department of Neuroscience and Physiology and director of the Neuroscience Institute at Newark University's Grossman School of Medicine of the researchers. In the field of neuroscience, this is going to go down in history as a major event, Glimcher, who was not involved in the new research, told CNN. To construct the map, researchers first created a standardized procedures to be shared across laboratories and then tracked neural activity in mice as the rodents responded to visual prompts, integrating all the data gathered by each lab and 7 years in the making and presented in two studies. The findings were published on September 3rd in the journal Nature. There are basically two big results, which is why we have two papers, said Alexander Pauget, a full professor in basic neuroscience at the University of Geneva. One study outlined the widespread distribution of electrical activity related to decision making. Yeah, the other used the data to evaluate how expectations shape choices. Pauget is a co-author of the first study and senior author of the second. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.